Love you 3,000!
Ano habak 3,000 from UAE?
Love you 3,000!
Ti amo 3,000.
Para kami dahil 3,000.
Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Miner's Daily Technical Charting, Fundamentals, Improvement of Trading Quotient, and everything about crypto all in one channel. Hey guys, this is Coach Miranda Miner and welcome to our recorded version of our cryptocurrency charting here in our channel. No? So, time check, it's actually 9:20 p.m. Here in the Philippines. So, couple of things na didiscuss natin today is really all about charting yan. So, tanong nyo sa likodan is my sister. Oy, Ara, hello ka. Hello ka, Ara, bilis. Hello ka.
Hello!
That's my sister. Alright, so we're still here in Baguio. So medyo ang aking connection is hindi ganoon kaganda. So I'm just gonna be doing some technical charting for all of you guys today. So obviously, cryptocurrency Bitcoin. So we're not yet out of the woods on Bitcoin. Obviously, from an intraday perspective, 1 hour ka Miranda. Fina-follow natin ang 21,493.59 as our resistance. No, one of our resistances, and 782.51 is a multi-year resistance acting as a support, and then of course nakuha rin natin ang ating 17,500 or 600 as another multi-year support, no, acting as a resistance, acting as a support. Rather, it's actually also a support, are now acting as a support. Sorry about that. Ngayon, so obviously, i-analyze natin yung chart natin, using our system. So basically, pataas na pataas yung presyo ng cryptocurrency ng Bitcoin. However, one of the things na kailangan mong malaman is yung konsepto ng ating left hand. No? If there is a from a current trend, if you see a higher high formation, pero MACD isn't agreeing, bababa siya, no? There's obviously what you call a left hand. Yung strength ng isang upward trajectory, medyo questionable yun. No? It's actually questionable. Bakit? Because it's not supported by your buying volume. No? So, obviously, itong critical support na ito, if this one breaks down, you're going to expect for a potential breakdown. No? Anong ating ipang sasalo? No? If you actually short this market, pag nag-breakdown on this particular support, ito ang ating ipang sasalo from a shorting perspective. Pag ito nabasag, we need to look at 20,613. No? Kamiranda, important na alam natin ito because sabi ko nga sa inyo, in one of my tweets, wag tayong magpaka-bullish pa din, because from a Bitcoin perspective, meron pa rin tayong inaantay na technical resistance at the 21,400. No? So, I am expecting a little bit of a retracement in a lower time frame. Pag itong support na to bumasag, this one, we're actually expecting for a support line at 21,102, and of course ang ating 618 area at 20,611. Important ito because this can potentially serve as a strong support within the retracement na ginagawa nito. Obviously, may nakikita tayo ditong bearish wedge. No? Obviously, alam nyo na yan, Miranda, ha? Tinuturo ko yan sa university natin. No? So obviously, this is a bit of a risky support in my perspective. If you go on 4 hours, though, no? If you go to the 4 hours trend, actually, kita mo na rin naman because paliit yung kanyang buying volume. Itong paakyat na ito, this can potentially be retested, no? this can potentially correct, no? Mas malaki ang bias ko for correction. The only reason why I'm actually holding for a potential continuation is because kahit ito ay may lessening of the volume, medyo kasi galing sa ilalim si MACD, no? So on a bigger picture perspective, mukhang it can potentially continue to go even higher with retracements on lower time frame, no? So what does that mean for you, Miranda, is kailangan mo mag-zoom in on a lower time frame. Pero tayo bumaba na 15 minutes. Nakita mo yan. Obviously, meron ka makikita mga breakdowns. Pero scalp short lang ating gagawin dyan, Miranda. Simply because we're not going to be assuming that the price can retrace agad-agad, no? It can retrace agad-agad. So you have support. The more the merrier yung ating plotting ng MACD, no? So in my perspective, Miranda, this can still potentially go down. It can retrace to 21,090, no? 21,090 as a potential support on this pullback, no? If the market is pulling back, wag mo ding labanan, no? Wag mong labanan. Wag mong labanan, and make sure na meron kang make sure na meron kayong sinusunod na system, no? Kung kayo man ay nagsascalping, do not scalp buy long on a downward or on a pullback, no? Pullback is pababa, no? Or on a correcting market, no? So do not fight the trend, ika nga. Okay? So yan ang ating giya, short-term giya for Bitcoin, but in the long term, I still see a potential upward trend kapag nagkaroon ng pagbasag pataas ng 21,493, no, with a confirmation. And tatandaan niyo, no, kapag umakyat ang price ng coin but the oscillator sa baba, yung kanyang MACD, moving average convergence divergence, is actually not agreeing. So potentially the upward trend is questionable. And remember, your left hand is not activated until you see a trend support line breakdown. Okay? A trend support line breakdown. Okay. So let's now go on with some of the altcoins. As I've said, no, yan, si ADA, pinaplot natin to kanina before tayo mag-show. I'm actually expecting ADA at 0.5103 as a potential support, this particular yellow line. Ano ba itong yellow line na ito? From swing low to swing high, you will see a 382 area within this area. No, you're actually going to see a 382 within this particular area. Yan. So, potentially, unang support mo yan. Pag yan bumasag, sasalo tayo dito sa bandang ilalim, no? Yan. 0.4966 as a potential retracement. If you go on a 1-hour trend, Miranda, tatanggalin na natin ito. Alright. Nagkaroon ng 382 correction kanina. Bakit nagkaroon ng 382 correction? So, if we're going to go on a higher time frame, if you go to the higher time frame, you go to, let's say, you actually go to 1 hour. Makikita mo naman dito na meron kang this area, no, meron kang 0.6890 and you have a swing low of 0.4219. Yan, ito yon. So gagawa po yan dito ng tinatawag nating take profit area, no, in 382 area niya dito, which is 0.5238, no, 0.5238. In this particular case, doon siya nagkaroon ng correction area. Sa lower time frame, halata mo naman, gumawa ito ng left hand, no, or hidden divergence, no? Nagkaroon siya ng hidden divergence. Nagkaroon siya actually ng continuation of an upward trend. However, the oscillator does not agree. Naturalise, nag-expect talaga tayo dyan ng breakdown kanina pa. Tandaan yan, perfect yan, you know. Of course, but I did not trade kasi nga sobrang dami na nating profits. We need to make sure we avoid over trading. So, obviously, meron kang Mickey Mouse, no? Yung Mickey Mouse na yan. Obviously, this is not agreeing. So you also have almost a similar price correction at this particular resistance area. So obviously, naturalize, i-expect talaga natin ang pullback ng price. This is a pure technical analysis. This is nothing to do with any fundamentals ni ADA. This is obviously the price movement, no, because obviously of technical analysis. Okay? All right. So, let's review some of the coins na merong momentum, napakagandang momentum. Nakita natin si SAND, no? Si SAND actually napakagandang momentum niya kanina. Obviously, kitang-kita naman natin gumawa ng malaking left hand formation, no? So, from a charting perspective, talagang alam mo ng potential magre-retrace, pero ang trabaho nating malaman is hanggang saan ito magre-retrace. Of course, yan ang ating trabaho, no? So kailangan nating malaman yan. So tatanggalin na natin yung ating mga MACDs, yung ating mga Fibonacci. Is clean the charts first, and of course kailangan natin makita on a bigger time frame. Itong TRBO na to, this is actually 1 day. So sinasabi natin yan sa inyo, itong formation na ito, napakaganda niyan, umakyat ng umakyat simply because merong 1 day confirmation of a breakout. Remember, sinasabi ko sa inyo yan 3 days ago pa. 3 days ago. So congratulations sa mga malalaking kumita dyan. I've already earned almost more than $300 on this upward movement. No? So sinabi ko na sa inyo yan before, or sinishare ko yan sa inyo sa ating mga charts, no? So actually, yes, pinakita ko na yan sa inyo, no? So in one of my posts. Okay? So yan ang upward trend. So obviously kukuha tayo, kung ito man ay magre-retrace, kukuha tayo ng 382 area trajectory hanggang 1.11 ang kanyang retracement. However, before tayo umakyat dun, maghahanap tayo ng potential correction line from a 382 perspective, no? 382 perspective, kukuha tayo. Angat po tayo sa 4 hours. So pwede mo itong gamitin as a potential guide, no? Kasi importante ito for you bilang isang trader, no? Importante ito. Hanap tayo ngayon ng correction line dito. So let's actually do a correction trend resistance extension play. Okay? So gagawa tayo dito ng in-between Fibonacci's, lalo na kung wala kang makitang confirmation or sa kaliwa wala kang makitang resistance, kukuha ka ngayon ng resistance. No? So we're gonna be getting 1.49 as a potential resistance. Nagagamitin natin as a potential resistance area. So masakto naman siya dito, which is really, really good. No? So potentially we can honor a 1.4923 resistance area. You can expect an upward trend for SAND Miranda, obviously because wala naman ako nakikitang left hand so far, no? So far, no? But of course, wag tayo magpapakasiguro. Let's stay defensive on this market, no? So tingin natin, this can potentially continue until hindi nababasag itong trend line na ginawa natin today. Okay? So, gamitin mo lahat ng tinuro ko sa iyo ngayon para i-plot yung iyong mga paboritong coins. Yun ang iyong assignment for me at this particular Sunday night. Of course, abangan mo din, kailangan natin magkaroon ng a little bit of meditation before tayo mag-trade, no? And gawin mo yan 20 charts araw-araw para makatulong sa iyo. Okay? So, let's also do actually pwede ka rin magkaroon ng correction at the 1.38 lower time frame. So, meron ding pagrespeto here on this resistance area. Yan. Kasunod niyan is this resistance area at 1.49. Kailangan mo matutuhan na ng Fibonacci paggamit para alam mo sa anong irerespeto niyang resistance area. And it takes a skill, no? So, tinuturo po natin ang paggamit ng Fibonacci is how do you use it, you know, more effectively para hindi ka nahuhuli sa mga potential trend lines. Okay? Pwede mo rin kunin ito. Yan, sa potential trend line. So, swing high, swing low, gagawa na extension yan. Sa pinakatuktok, but I use this one. Yan, gamit po natin yan. Alright. So, gamitin mo ito as your potential giya, no? Giya mo yan para ikaw ay matuto at makakita ng mga important trend lines and support. Alright. So guys, yun muna yung tatlong coins na tatalakay natin today. Sana nakatulong sa inyo yan. Important na alam ninyo si Bitcoin simply because it can potentially influence yung galaw ng ibang mga coins, especially the top 10 coins. Alright. So, by the way, subukan nating raffle nga pala ng ating show kahapon sa pangako natin yan. And if you would like to join our raffle, please don't forget to click on subscribe and like this video para qualified ka kung ikaw man ay mapipili sa ating raffle for today. Okay? So let me try to look for our show for yesterday. Okay, tingnan po natin yan. So, actually, yung yesterday show natin, hanapin natin ng mabilis. Okay. Okay. So, copy link address, YouTube Raffle Picker. Okay, so I'm going just to share my screen. Okay. Raffle picker tayo. Sino kayo mananalo dito ngayon? Please make sure you message me, Miranda, no? You message me agad-agad para hindi kayo ma-disqualify. 147 entries. Tingnan natin who's gonna be the winner. Lone Quad, no? Lone Quad, congratulations to you. And I look forward you winning, no? Sali ka na araw-araw ang ating raffle, no? So for tomorrow naman, ang inyong i-message naman or hashtag is going to be scalping is life. Hashtag scalping is life. Para manalo ka in our random YouTube picker comment. Para makasali ka, dito sa video na to, kokomentan mo ito ng hashtag scalping is life para makasali ka. And of course, idagdag mo na rin dalawang comment, hashtag Miranda Minor Profitable System. Okay, yun lang, no? Hashtag scalping is life and hashtag Miranda Minor Profitable System. Yun muna ang ating show for today. I hope nakapagbigay sa inyo ng technical analysis yan. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be seeing the members. Miranda, see you all members tomorrow. And I'm very excited kasi tomorrow we're gonna be in our office sa GMMG. Alright, maraming salamat Miranda. I love you 3000 and God bless you.